Hi guys, welcome to this new video. So I have started a series where I'll be solving CBSE board exam 2025 question paper. Subject will be mathematics. So I have downloaded this particular paper from CBSE official websites. You can also find it there. This is the paper of series EGFH2 set 2. Section A, I am attempting the question number 4. So the question says that the line represented by equation x minus y equal to 0 is parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, passing through origin or passing through the point 3 comma 2. So this is the drawing which is has to be made in final, but I have made it earlier because I have just guessed what will be the answer. Now when we see this equation clearly, that is x minus y equal to 0, that means x equals to y. So the line passing through those coordinates where x is equals to y. What do I mean by here is, when you observe the equation x minus y equals to 0, simply x is equals to y when we say send y on the right hand side. So that gives us a very clear idea that this line, whatever this line will be, it will be passing only through those coordinates where the value of x and y are equal. So suppose here I am taking x equals to 1, so y also be equals to 1, x equals to 2, y equals to 2, x equals to 3, and y equals to 3, and as it is, it will be made. Okay, now we will be eliminating the options. So this is the line x minus y equals to 0. As I have proved why it is so. Is it parallel to x-axis? It is clearly visible it is not. Parallel to y-axis? No, it is not all parallel to y-axis. Passing through origin, so yes, it is passing through origin, and passing through the point 3 comma 2. As I already said, by this line equation x minus y equal to 0, it means that only those points will be selected where x and y coordinates are matching. But here x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 2, so this option is also eliminated. Finally only option C is right. Thank you.